Hey there again, just wanted to finish up problem 8-4. So let's say that this object is done and we're going to go over here and I'd like to see that you put it on your B-size paper. Alright, so if that doesn't come into your viewport, go ahead and double click in your viewport, and I always do a zoom extents to begin. What you'll need to do is come down here to your custom scales, and you'll want to create a custom scale that is 1 inch equals 100 feet, because the 1 to 100 that you'll see in your drop box doesn't have the correct parameters. So you're going to do paper units 1 equals 1200, okay, because 100 times 12. And then we go ahead and pick OK, and OK again, and then I'm going to bring this into 1 inch equals 100 feet. Okay. Make sure that you put yourself a north arrow in there and that you complete this per the requirements. So this would be chapter 8. And we have assignment number 4. Okay. This would be 1 inch equals 100 feet. And then fill out the remainder of this. Go ahead and PDF that and put that into the assignments area. All right, have fun.